how to check your YouTube watch time. So if you want to check your YouTube watch time, then first you can open up the YouTube. You can open up your browser and then go for youtube.com and go for your YouTube. And you can go for your profile from here. And once you go for your profile, which is on the upper right, you can go for YouTube Studio. And once you're here on the YouTube Studio, now here on the left, you will have content option. If you go for the content here, you will have channel content, and now to view the watch time, you can go for analytics. And under your channel analytics, here you will have all of the views or watch time or your subscribers count or everything in detail. So here I don't have any videos in my YouTube, so I don't have any watch time either. So if you have any videos or if you have anything on your YouTube that is visible, then you can simply have your watch time here in hours, and then you will have your subscriber count here and then your views, so you can see all of the information from your analytics. So that's how you can watch your watch time or view your watch time on your YouTube from the YouTube Studio. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.